I'm pretty sure you've seen all those videos of celebrities where they talk something really funny and something they never said, but their mouth is moving so realistically and they can have their voice, you know, it's so crazy. I've tried it on myself. I have a little conversation with Yoko Ono.
I went to Yoko Ono exhibition.
Great!
And it's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. You can use this tool, and by the way, it's free. You can use it in a good way and you can use it in a very bad way. Please use it in a good way. If you want to create a video for your birthday or for a birthday of your friend, family member, colleague, you know, to have some fun, great. But can you imagine seeing yourself, if you don't want it, saying something really nasty and so on? This is not how we want to use it, okay? What you're gonna need for this, you don't even need your voice. There's a voice you can assign, which is even more fun, to be honest. And you need a picture, simple picture. I don't know, do you have a favorite picture with the celebrity that you like or an athlete? You can have a conversation in that picture. Search Runway AI. I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video as well. Click on Get Started and sign up for this amazing tool. Go down into AI tools and you're going to find lip sync video. You have to upload the file, which is in this case a picture, and you can also just drag and drop it into this area. It's going to load, and then of course start typing what you want it to say. It's going to recognize the faces of speakers, so you can add as many speakers as you want depending on the picture. I have 2 in this picture, so I'm going to recognize 2 speakers and then I'm going to say what they're going to say. So now it's all loaded and I'm going to assign a speaker to what I want them to say. And also I need to assign the voice. You have plenty of options, so go for it. There's going to be more. Click generate and wait for the magic to happen. The deal is that if you're using free version, you're going to you're going to wait a little bit longer because you're not a priority. So you can think about subscription from this point of view as well. And now let the magic happen and see the result.
I went to Yoko Ono exhibition.
Great!
Thank you for watching, and if you found it helpful, do subscribe. If you want to sign up for Runway and try this, check the link in the description. I got loads of videos coming on Runway, but I also have some videos on Runway as well already, so check out my channel.